Hey all you Ford fans, in front of me today we have one of the most desirable 1971 Mustangs ever built. This 1971 Mustang was a special purpose vehicle ordered by Ford of Canada. This is actually serial number 28. It was ordered so early by Ford of Canada because they were going to use it as their dealership tour car for the 1971 model year. Ford of Canada ordered this baby loaded down with 16 options. The total for this car on the window sticker is actually $6,200, making this a very expensive car in 1971. The list of 16 options include 429 Super Cobra Jet, and it also includes 411 Detroit lockers. This car, being serial number 28, is actually documented by Kevin Marty being the very first 429 Super Cobra Jet with the Detroit lockers. This car also has power windows. It obviously has the Mach 1 package, so you see the Magnum 500 wheels, and you see the grabber green metallic paint, which is a beautiful color in the 1971 model year. As I said, this baby was ordered with a 429 Super Cobra Jet option. So why don't we pop the hood? I'll shut my mouth, we'll pop the hood, and we'll check this thing out. As you can see here, this 429 Super Cobra Jet is fully detailed. It's ready to go. But most importantly, I know what you all want to see. Let's hop in this thing and take it for a spin.